Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you to Toronto. For your safety, we do ask that you please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened in bag and stowed until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign. For all the passengers leaving us here today, I'd like to remind you to take all your personal belongings with you. Be careful when you're opening up the overhead bins, as certain items have shifted during flight. If you need assistance, we're going to assist you once the aisles have become clearer. Cell phones may now be in use. And on behalf of the rest of the crew today, Canada Express, partners with Air Canada Star Alliance, we want to thank you for choosing to fly with us today and look forward to see you all in the near future. Once again, thank you. Wish you all a wonderful evening here in the Toronto area. In local time now, it's 8:20.